Hey guys, we have really interesting story here. We have a lot of damp in this part of the ceiling. There is only one radiator right above and nothing else. There are no waste or hot water pipes running across here. Salt stack is on the other side of the building. You could say it's almost obvious that the source of the leak is here. Surprisingly, there is another small stain right here. Couple minutes ago I poured a lot of hot water down the bath in the room upstairs. And let's see what thermal imager and a bit of experience can tell us. As you can see, there is around 33 degrees, which makes this place the hottest of the entire ceiling. This immediately tells me where the source of the problem is. Let me just turn that back on. Directly above there we have a bath. So what's more interesting is the rest of our ceiling and where water is traveling. Just look how water spreads across. You can almost see edges of a joist. Just watch this. Yeah. Oh yeah, so water is soaking and standing just right here.